Hey guys, Carla here. Guess what? It's penalty box time. So here's a workout that you can do at home with or without the penalty box. First exercise is your single leg squat touch. Now step on the first box first, balance on your right leg, soft knees, and touch the ground, then jump, and then down, and then jump. Hinge from your hips, not from your knees. That's it, finding your balance, finding your center. Working the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, and your balance. Now let's do the same thing on the other side, on your left side. Next exercise is your switch kicks to power jump. So switch and jump. Switch and jump. Knee to chest. Knees to chest. Land softly. Now we are gonna go to your moving plank to shoulder taps. High plank position on the left first, and then move, and then tap. Outer arm is the one tapping. Left and right. Now we have your ab box heel switches. Now you're gonna sit on your tailbone, bring your right foot forward and left foot back, lean back, hands wherever you want it to be. I prefer mine on the side, and switch. Switch your heels. Find your balance. Working the obliques. You can cross it in your chest. Last exercise is your ab jack tap. So you're gonna sit on your tailbone again, finding your balance, leaning back, hands on your chest or on the sides of your body, and just tap out and in, out and in. Breathing in,